Stroke tequila. Terminator 2. Coffee. Had no idea. I was trying to think of what it was, but no idea. Oh, family, the gym, and wine. Not to fly because I don't like heights. To have super hearing. Marbella. Both. Oh, chicken Caesar salad, fries on the side, and a glass of red wine. Every human language. It varies, varying tastes. Let's go with Madonna, Hung Up. J-Lo. Dogs. Madonna, Brad Pitt, and my mum, Elvis. Sad, never really watched it, so maybe I'm the sad one. I like to be able to swim because I just sink like a brick, so I've tried and I'd like to do it better. 35. That's the answer I normally go with when I'm asked my age. No, it's not. But yeah, 35. Oh, jeez. Gangs of London, Series 3. Jade, 100%. And she sat. Oh, Christ. This was the one I knew I wouldn't be able to answer. Oh yeah, I did get a black belt in kickboxing once, and not a lot of people know that.